There's a really good online citation tool called CiteThis. It's available both Firefox and Chrome, so students can just click on the website they're on, and automatically it will generate whatever referencing style they want. So I'm going to show you how to get this in Chrome, but also you can do the same thing with Firefox. So what you do is you go Cite, Plugin. In this case, I'm going Chrome. So remember, you can do it for Firefox too. You press Enter. Then you go for CiteThis for me. Then what you want to do is add to Chrome, add extension. Then you got a new option at the top here. So say you open up a new website. If I want to cite this as a student, what I do is I select this icon here, and automatically it will come up in APA, Chicago, Harvard, depending on what referencing you like. And then all the student needs to do is copy down this link here for the in-text citation. And then if you scroll further down, there's also the bibliography one there too. Really useful tool, especially for seniors when they're citing stuff from a website.